Alright, so here's the deal. We're going to abseil down over that ridge into that pool with all of our dive gear, dive down and recover $700 worth of steel, and then somehow get it all back up. Seems foolproof. Small problem. I have no idea how to abseil.
So when you abseil, the rope feeds through the abseiling device, but there's no knot on the end.
And there's that one next to it.
Probably 30 metres of cable sitting right below us. We just looked and dropped it in. So you need to fish that out first.
So that's going to be the least angle.
Yes.
So would it be better to go...
No.
I will rejoice.
So we can see almost nothing, but we got what we're after, so let's get out of here. So I think this here is our only way out of here. So this here's what we ended up pulling out. A mountain of steel.